Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off your camera on Zoom meetings. Whether you're joining a call from a less than ideal location or simply prefer to keep your video off for privacy reasons, knowing how to control your camera settings is essential for a comfortable meeting experience. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Zoom account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Zoom home screen where you can access all your meeting options. Next, click on the Join button. This is typically located near the top of your screen and is one of the primary options for entering a meeting. After clicking Join, you'll need to enter either a meeting ID or a personal link name. The meeting ID is usually a series of numbers provided by the meeting host, while a personal link name is a custom URL that makes joining recurring meetings easier. Go ahead and type in whichever one you've been given. Once you've entered the meeting information, click Join again to proceed. Before you fully enter the meeting room, Zoom gives you a preview screen where you can adjust your audio and video settings. This is the perfect opportunity to control your camera before anyone sees you. Now navigate to the video option on this preview screen. You'll see it displayed with a small camera icon. Click on it to turn off your camera before joining. This ensures that when you enter the meeting, your video will already be disabled and other participants won't see you. Once you've toggled the video off, click Join to enter the meeting with your camera already turned off. Alternatively, if you're already in a Zoom meeting and decide you want to turn off your camera, locate the video icon at the bottom left of your screen. This icon is usually easy to spot as it looks like a small video camera. Click on it to automatically turn off your video. The icon will change to show a camera with a line through it, indicating that your video is now disabled. If you want to turn your camera back on at any point during the meeting, simply click the same icon again and your video will reactivate. And there you have it. You now know how to turn off your camera on Zoom meetings, both before joining and during an active call. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.